Ever cruised the bustling world of cryptocurrency exchanges and stumbled upon Kraken? It's a popular platform, no doubt. But as you delve deeper, a crucial question might pop up. Can I actually withdraw cash from Kraken? Hold on a sec. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's rewind a bit. Remember the good old days of cash? Paper bills, clinking coins, that tangible feeling of holding your wealth. Crypto, on the other hand, thrives in the digital realm. So, it's natural to wonder if you can bridge that gap and turn your crypto holdings on Kraken into crisp bills. The answer, unfortunately for cash enthusiasts, is no. Kraken, like many other crypto exchanges, doesn't directly facilitate cash withdrawals. They deal in the digital currency game, buying, selling, and trading crypto. Cash withdrawals aren't part of their core service. But wait. Don't hit that unsubscribe button just yet. This doesn't mean you're stuck in a crypto purgatory, unable to access your hard-earned gains. There are ways to convert your Kraken holdings into cash you can hold. Let's explore some popular options. 1. Peer-to-peer, P2P, trading platforms. Think of these platforms as online marketplaces where you connect directly with other individuals. You list your crypto for sale, set your price, and wait for a buyer who wants to pay with cash. Popular options include local Bitcoins and Paxful. Pros: potentially faster transactions compared to traditional methods. You can often negotiate exchange rates with buyers. Cons: beware of scams, do your research and choose reputable platforms with robust security measures. Meeting up with strangers to exchange cash can be risky. Always prioritize safety and consider using escrow services offered by the platform. 2. Crypto ATMs. These futuristic machines are popping up in major cities worldwide. They function similarly to traditional ATMs, but instead of withdrawing cash with your debit card, you insert your crypto wallet and receive cash in return. Pros: convenient and potentially anonymous, depending on the ATM operator's regulations. Provides a familiar experience similar to using a regular ATM. Cons: limited availability, crypto ATMs aren't as widespread as traditional ones yet. High fees, transactions through crypto ATMs often come with hefty service charges. 3. Brokerage services with crypto integration. Some online brokerage firms are now integrating cryptocurrency trading into their offerings. This allows you to transfer your crypto holdings from Kraken to a brokerage account and then initiate a cash withdrawal. Pros: secure and regulated environment offered by established financial institutions. Potential for additional investment options with the brokerage firm. Cons: transferring crypto to a brokerage account might involve additional fees and processing times. Limited platforms offer this integrated service, so research is necessary. 4. Convert to stablecoins and use a debit card. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies pegged to a real-world asset, like the US dollar. This means their value remains relatively stable compared to other cryptocurrencies that can fluctuate wildly. Platforms like Visa offer debit cards linked to your stablecoin holdings, allowing you to spend your crypto like cash at any point-of-sale terminal that accepts Visa. Pros: convenient way to spend your crypto for everyday purchases. Stablecoins minimize the risk of price fluctuations compared to using volatile cryptocurrencies. Cons: limited adoption, not all merchants accept crypto debit cards yet. Fees associated with the debit card and potential conversion fees for stablecoins. Remember, every method has its pros and cons. Carefully consider your needs, risk tolerance, and fees before choosing an option. Security first. No matter which method you choose, prioritize security. Always double-check platform legitimacy, implement strong passwords, and enable two-factor authentication wherever possible. The future of crypto and cash. The world of crypto is constantly evolving. Regulations are changing, and new technologies are emerging. It wouldn't be surprising to see crypto exchanges like Kraken eventually offer more traditional cash withdrawal options. Until then, the methods discussed today provide effective workarounds. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.